In Elder Scrolls V Skyrim, the entirety of the Aldmeri Dominion, otherwise known as the Thalmor, do not believe that Talos, also known as Tiber Septim, is an actual divine being, and actively seek to suppress the worship of Talos himself. Throughout the realm of Skyrim, we see many instances where people actually are murdered because they think that Talos is an actual god, and they are murdered by Thalmor agents. But in this case, how do we actually know that Talos is a god? Well, the reason why we know that Talos is an actual god in the Elder Scrolls series is because that the shrines and the amulets work. They all reduce the cooldown time between shouts by 20%, and the shrines actively cure all diseases. So, yeah, that's basically it. They all work, and they wouldn't work if he wasn't a god. So, if they all do work, then he definitely is a god. There's no question about it. And then you have to get into the reasoning of, okay, well, why did the High Elves say that he wasn't a god when he was one? Well, this is the same group of people that were nearly wiped out by a weapon of mass destruction by Talos himself, who basically used the Numidium to try and basically genocide the entirety of the High Elf species. So I think they have a little bit of a butthurt kind of emotional deal about Talos being a god in the first place.